Hi and welcome back! I'm so excited that you are here and celebrating with us the new release from Trinity Stamps. This release is called Treetops and Trimmings, and I'm excited to share with you some new gnomes from Trinity Stamps, and I just love them. They are super cute. It's this stamp set is called Holiday Hangouts, and I wanted to create this night or like magic night scene with these two gnomes hanging and talking to each other. So I started off by just stamping them out with some alcohol friendly ink, and then I will speed up the coloring here. I will not make you sit through and watch all of the coloring because I'm no expert at this. I just think it's super fun to color, and I just love these beautiful images. And what I love is that they are a little bit bigger, so it's easy to practice your coloring. So Trinity Stamps has a lot of these gnomes, and I know they are super popular, so I believe this one will be as well. So they are perfect for coloring, and I just love them. They are so cute. And I didn't go for any traditional holiday colors here. I went with my favorite color palette, and that is the pink and that really vibrant turquoise or blue color. I love it. And I use them as often as I can. And I stamped some additional stamps from this set. I didn't like the coloring of the ornament for one of my gnomes there, so I just decided to stamp another one and color that one in yellow instead. And I thought that complemented all the other colors a little bit better than that really dark purple color. So for my background, I cut down some Nina paper to be a standard size for a card front here. So I believe it's 5.5 by 4.25. And then I did some ink blending, and I masked off by using a stencil also from Trinity Stamps. I will have all of the products that I'm using in this video linked down below. But at the moment I don't remember what this stencil is called. It's amazing, and I have used it in so many videos and projects, so it's a must-have tool in my stash. You could be lazy and just mask off everything, but I'm not. I'm just liking this. I think it works great. And I just brought out some blending foams. I got this new to me I should say, like blending brushes, blending domes. I don't know what to call it. They are the Tim Holtz ones, and I like them, but I always go back to my blending brushes because I'm really a fan of them. So for my night scene here, I took some different blues and blacks, and then I will create some clouds. I don't know if it can be clouds and stars and a night scene all together, but in my scene it could. So I'm going with it. I used some white ink from Hero Arts and this really beautiful, I believe it's called Puff Cloud Layering stencil from Trinity Stamps. And then I went in and just played with the ink and the shapes and everything, and put some clouds where I thought they looked good, just to create some dimension for a background here. And I did this really carefully, and you can see I put my mask back down after I cleaned it a little bit, just so I didn't ink blend all of that. And here is my gnomes all cut out, and I just played around with the placement. And I will use some glue and glue this down to standard A2 size card front, and then I will start to adhere everything. And of course I love dimension, so I put some dimension to my gnomes, and you can see how they are swinging here in the ornaments and just having a great holiday. And I stamped and colored some additional little ornaments that also comes in this set, but I couldn't find a good place for them, so I will keep them on the back side of my stamp set. So if I want to create another card soon with this stamp set, I have them already cut out and colored and ready to go. And I find that I use my die cut pieces a lot more if I keep them in the same packaging as the stamp set. And to fill in some of the space here and cover up some of my mistakes, because I always make mistakes, I am using some of these really beautiful iridescent stars from Trinity Stamps. They are called Oh My Stars, and they are really beautiful. And a white gel pen, I cannot live without a white gel pen. So I went around my image, and of course I filled in some of the sentiment that didn't heat emboss perfectly. And here is my finished card. I hope you really like it, because I do. If you did, please give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment for a chance to win a gift card in this video hop. And next on turn person you will find listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!